Hey everyone, it's Sania at Walgreens doing the beginner breakdowns for this week, and as usual, make sure you go over to the front of the store and get one of these books. I already have mine because you are going to need it for one of the deals this week.
Stay tuned if you want to see how you can get all these items for $9.69. After rebates, it's going to be $7.18 for 13 items. This is an all-digital scenario, so all you will be needing is the Walgreens app. You will also need to load these coupons and do 4 different transactions to get these deals.
For the first transaction, we are going to pick up either 2 Suavitel, 2 Palmolive dish soap, or 2 Fabuloso. The deal for this week is when you buy 2 of those products, you are going to get 2,000 points. Each one of them is $1.99. We will pay $3.98 out of pocket, then we're going to get back 2,000 points to use in transaction number 2. I decided to get 1 Palmolive and 1 Fabuloso. There are no digital coupons for this transaction, but the out-of-pocket for this is $3.98. Now with tax, it's going to bring you over $4. So if your store allows you to use points to pay for your tax, you can actually use some points to lower your out-of-pocket. Now, but I have this card is a Walgreens store card, and I'm going to use this to lower my out-of-pocket. If you want to use 4,000 points or even 3,000 points, you can use that to drop your out-of-pocket to even less than $3.98. Now I'm headed to checkout, and I'm going to let you know how this transaction goes. Let's look at the receipt for transaction number 1. As you can see, the Palmolive and the Fabuloso work together. My subtotal was $3.98. And as you can see right there in the middle, I used $4.22 of store credit in order to lower my out-of-pocket. And I ended up paying $0 for this transaction. And if you look at bonus points, I got 2,000 points back.
This is the written breakdown for this transaction. As you can see, for transaction number 1, you'll have $3.98 out of pocket, but I paid nothing because I had that Walgreens store card.
For transaction number 2, we are going to buy 2 Crest Pro Health Advance. These are $2.99 for the entire month, and when you buy 2, you get 4,000 points. We're going to pick up 2 of them for $5.98. There's a $1 digital that's going to bring our total down to $4.98. Then we're going to use the 2,000 points from transaction number 1, and that's going to bring our out-of-pocket down to $2.98. Then we're going to get 4,000 points back. Like I said in the first transaction, if you have points, in this case, you can use 3,000 points. I still have some credit on my card, so I'm going to use that to lower my out-of-pocket a little bit more. So let's take a look at the receipt and see how that transaction went. As you can see, it was $5.98. There was a $1 digital. It came off perfectly. My total was $4.98. And if you want to use points, like I said before, you can use more than 2,000 points. Since I only had 2,000 points, that's what I used. And if you look very closely, I also used $1.32 in store credit. So I paid $2.02 out of pocket. And if you look down here at bonus points, I got 4,000 points.
Here is the breakdown. The out-of-pocket is $2.98, but I paid $1.66 because of the store card.
The swab is $1.99, and for the entire month, when you buy 4 of them, you're going to get 5,000 points. In addition to that, when you buy one, you're going to get the other one for 50% off. We're going to pick up 4 of the swab, and that's going to bring our total to $5.97. We do not have any coupons for this, but we're going to use the 4,000 points that we got from transaction number 2 to lower our out-of-pocket for the swab. But it gets better, because when you go home, you can submit your receipt for that transaction to Ibotta, and you're going to get an additional 50 cents back for 3 of the swabs that you have purchased. Earlier today, I was in a different part of town, and the swab was ringing up for $2.49, and of course they were buy one, get one 50% off. But when I was on the hunt for the Canada Dry Lemonade, I found a store that had them for $1.99. So what I did was I did a return. And when you do a return, you will get the value of your coupons, and any cash that you pay, you're going to get that back. But if you pay with points, you're going to get that back on a Walgreens store credit card. And this store credit card is not a gift card. It works just like points. Any money you pay out of pocket is going to come back to you in cash. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to repurchase this. Instead of using the points that I got from transaction number 2, I'm actually going to use the store credit card for the points. And then I'm going to pay the rest of it with the cash I got from the return. Look at this. I had negative 4,660 points. I completely forgot to tell you guys that when you do a return, if you get points, those points are going to be deducted from your account. But because I was doing this transaction all the way over, you can see that I got the 5,000 bonus points and I'm right back to where I started. Now, let's look at the top of the receipt. So you can see the Suave is buy one, get one 50% off. They're $1.99, exactly like I planned it to be. Subtotal, $5.96. And as you can see here, I used that store credit card as points. And then all I had to do was pay $2.38 out of pocket. This is the breakdown for transaction number 3. If you do not have points, it's going to be $1.96 out of pocket. I paid the same thing. The first thing we're going to add to transaction number 4 are these refried beans. We're going to pick up 2 of them because they are buy one, get one free. This store does not have it labeled, but it gets better because there's a $1 off 2 coupon that's going to work when you purchase 2. The next item we're going to add to this transaction is one of the Arm & Hammer laundry detergents. They're on sale for $1.99 this week and there are no coupons for it. Next, we're going to pick up one of these Big Comfort 3 razors. In this store, it's $4.39. One thing you have to remember with this deal is that you're going to need to use the coupon from the IVC booklet that we picked up at the front of the store. It's on page 37. That's going to deduct $1 from the $4.39. And we have a $3 digital. So that's going to make these razors only 39 cents. Or it might be different based on the store that you are at. Here is the speed stick. I'm just going to go ahead and get one of these. So the deal for this, they're $1.99. There's a 50-cent digital, which is going to make it $1.49. And this is the last thing that we're adding to transaction number 4. These are all the items for transaction number 4. Please don't forget to turn your IVC booklet to page 37 so that the cashier can scan the IVC booklet after you've scanned all your items. Everything equals $10.26. After coupons is $4.76. Use 4,000 points from transaction number 3 and your out-of-pocket is only 76 cents. I just finished transaction number 4 and everything worked out perfectly. So let's take a look at the receipt. You can see that the refried beans rang up for $1.79 and they were buy one, get one free. Arm & Hammer, $1.99. The Speed Stick and the Comfort Plus, if you look very closely, you can see the IVC coupon was deducted for $1. And now you can see all the coupons that were used. My total was $4.76. And you can see that the tax pushed me over to $5.40. So instead of using 4,000 points, I used the 5,000 and my out-of-pocket was only 40 cents. I'm back home now and I'm very pleased at how these transactions turned out. All in all, if you do not have any points and you're starting brand new, this transaction is going to cost you $9.68 out of pocket. Once you submit your Suave to Ibotta and your refried beans to Saving Star, your final cost is going to be $7.18. And because we have 13 items, that's going to make it 55 cents for each of these items. If you are like me and you had either store credit or points on your account, your final out of pocket is going to be less than $9.68. So for my transactions that I did today, my out of pocket ended up being $3.38. Hopefully this video was helpful. I'm very pleased with how everything turned out. And just remember, if you cannot find an item, just replace it with something else. I had trouble finding Canada Dry, but I just replaced it with Speed Stick and everything worked out better than I expected.